everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. For today's video, I wanted to update you guys on my skin because I have been trying out something new. If you guys haven't seen my latest skincare video, I will link it down below, and it has like more of like a product breakdown. So I've been using Curology, and I actually have been wanting to try Curology for a while. So when they reached out and they wanted to collaborate with me, I definitely took the opportunity. I do have to say I wish that I would have tried this when my skin was in its worst state, but I was honestly so scared to use anything on my skin at that time. So these are the products right here, and before I go into it, I just want to tell you guys a little bit about my skincare journey. If you guys are new here, I started breaking out about 2 years ago, about 2 summers ago, and I don't really know what the cause was. Like maybe something I ate, or I don't know, but my skin just went downhill and it just got so bad. I started BBL treatments, broadband light treatments, and I did 8 of those. And like it really just purged my skin, and my skin was just, it was horrible. After the treatments, just like a whole lifestyle change and everything like that, I feel like my skin got better. Like it didn't break out as much anymore, but I was left with the acne scars. And then I got pregnant, and I feel like being pregnant really helped my skin, which is so funny because with my previous pregnancies, I actually had really bad acne, and usually people get hormonal acne, but I feel like my latest pregnancy made my skin better. And then I also started skin pen, which is microneedling, and then I also started doing the PRP treatments, where they draw your blood and they take the plasma from your blood and then they use it with the skin pen on your skin. It's amazing. I love it so much. I feel like that, along with this little bottle of magic, really helped. And I meant to not put makeup on today because I wanted to show you guys. And then I started doing my eyebrows, and I got kind of carried away, and Alistair decided to take his 3-hour nap, so I just decided to do my whole face. But I will insert like a short video or a picture to show you guys how my skin looks like now. Minus the dark circles. You know, I have a newborn, and yeah, dark circles are just gonna happen. So that's like a little bit of my skincare journey, and you know, I wanted to fade the acne scars because I just didn't love the way that my skin looked. Curology is a custom prescription formula. When you get started with Curology, you go on their website and you take like a little quiz. It asks you like what your skin problems are, or what are your main concerns, things that you want to focus on. After you take the little quiz, you take a picture of your face, front, side, and you upload it. That's when they pair you with a licensed provider, and that's how they create this little formula just for you. So I was paired with a dermatology provider, and her name was Elizabeth. So thank you, Elizabeth. She analyzed my skin story, and I told her a little bit about my skincare regimen, and then of course my skin goals, to help her create a custom formula for me. This is how the bottle looks like, and it breaks down the formula in here. This is how the formula looks like. So it's kind of thick, and it just blends in like that. It almost feels like a lotion. So you only apply this product at night, and then you also get a face wash and a moisturizer. You use this day and night. Both of these products don't have a scent. I mainly use these two during the day, and then at nighttime I use my regular skincare. If you guys want to see what that is, again, check out my latest skincare video. This doesn't take off makeup. It's literally just a facial cleanser. But if I wear makeup, I do use a makeup wipe to wipe off all my makeup, and then I use a makeup cleanser to wash my face. So my overall thoughts about Curology: I don't love it, but I don't hate it. But I can tell you that I'm not breaking out. I feel like it's helping me maintain my skin. So I definitely will continue to use my custom formula. It helps keep my skin clear. But as far as acne scars, the skin pen treatments was what really helped me with that. And I had a total of 6 skin pen treatments. Those were definitely a little bit more invasive. I did go more into detail in my previous skincare video. I don't think I'll continue using the cleanser and the moisturizer, but I definitely will continue using this to just maintain my skin because I don't break out anymore. I definitely have not had a pimple since I started using this. So if you're interested in Curology, I'll leave a sign up link down in the info box, and you can get your first bottle of Curology for free. All you have to do is pay for shipping and handling, and it's only $4.95. Alright you guys, so that is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope that you guys found this video helpful, and of course I'll leave any important information down in the info box. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will talk to you all later. Bye!